This is my first sighting of cherry blossoms. Good morning, Korea. Oh my goodness, we're here. I think 3 major tips kapag kayo dada ng immigration. Number 1, be early. Kasi hindi natin tansya ang oras kapag nasa immigration. Mingyo pa, saranghe. Nomu saranghe. Uy, happy siya. Good day, my gosh. May top 2 visuals. Oh my god. Sapa. Luggage storage B. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Queen's Department Store. Filming location ng hottest K-drama today, Queen of Tears. Since I'm here for spring, tips for like travelers.
There's some blossom there.
Where?
Like
Uwido?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was there earlier.
But it's so crowded.
Crowded.
So many people in there, so it's not too best place.
Best place. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo from Naiya Terminal 3. So this is Dave, the Korean traveler. And kita nyo naman, dala-dala po natin ang ating malaking maleta. Dahil tayo po ngayon ay magpupunta sa, of course, ang country na lagi nating binabalik-balikan, South Korea, for the spring and cherry blossoms experience. So guys, pangarap ko ito na may experience makita ng cherry blossoms like in person. Kasi very K-drama, di ba? Napakaganda, romantic yung feeling, and it's happening. Okay, so it's around 10:39 ngayon. Tapos yung flight namin is 2:40. So make sure na nasa airport na kayo 4 hours before your flight para iwas aberya. And of course, guys, since tayo ay maging ibang bansa, gumamit tayo ng clock para mabook ang ating activities. Okay? Just like yung mga... Magja-Jeju pala tayo guys, hindi lang Seoul. Just like yung car rental namin sa Jeju, SIM card, and of course, yung hotel natin, binook din natin via clock. So, i-comment ko sa baba yung links ng ating activities and hotel. And pwede kayong, ayan, bibigyan ako ni Gats. Sesend mo ba yung kay Ate Ana? And of course, makaka-discount kayo ng 5% sa hotels and 3% sa mga activity. Okay? So ngayon, pasok na tayo! I'm with my friend Gats. How do you feel? It's your first Korea adventure?
I'm so excited. I'm ready to see the cherry blossom.
Cherry blossoms! And again, what are you most excited about?
Makita si Iwa. K-pop artist.
Sana may ma-sight tayo.
So, something Ichulbo.
Yeah. UNESCO World Heritage Site yon in Jeju. Alright, let's go. Pasok na tayo. Alright. Travel tax payment. Okay, we're early. Hello. Ate Eliza. Hello. Dito na rin yung check-in and backdrop. May pretty na ate girl na nag-hi sa atin. Follower daw siya. Magkukorea din siya. Nakakatuwa. I hope makita ulit natin siya mamaya. Of course, our next step is immigration. Alright? So it's around, what time na ba? Past 11 and walang kapila-pila dito sa immigration. So kayo, kung mag-travel kayo abroad, need nyong mag-fill out ng e-travel. So punta kayo sa etravel.gov.ph. I think 3 major tips kapag kayo dada ng immigration. Number 1, be early. Kasi hindi natin tansya ang oras kapag nasa immigration. Maglaan kayo ng around 1 hour for the immigration. Number 2, keep it short and simple yung answers. Keep it short and simple yung answers ninyo. Huwag na masyadong maraming palabok. Dapat straightforward, direct to the point. And huwag kabahan. Okay, sama ko lang yung sa number 2 tip. Huwag kabahan. Keep it short and simple. And number 3, of course, be prepared. Just be prepared sa any document na you feel will be asked sa inyo. So, ako lagi kong dinadala yung company ID ko kasi nakailang beses hiningi sa akin yung company ID. can also prepare your certificate of employment, ganyan. And then yung mga documents nyo like flight ticket, hotel itinerary para sure sila na may pag-stayan kayo sa Korea, for example. Boarding na! It's 2 AM. Alright, the last people to board. Natulog na tayo, guys. Pag-gising natin, Korea na. We're flying away. Dutch. Good night. See you later in Korea.
See you in Korea.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, let's fill out this customs declaration form habang nasa plane. And then the arrival card and health declaration form na rin. Ayan. We're in Korea already. Oh my goodness, we're here. Good morning, Imnida. Korea, we're here. It's 7:45, so we arrived earlier than our expected arrival. Maligayang pagdating sa Korea. Dadaan ulit tayong immigration, guys. Mahaba-haba ang pila. But at least kahangin na natin ngayon sina Ayu, Park Bogong. Humihinga na tayo ng parehong hangin. Papunta sa next stop natin. Pa-immigration na tayo, guys. And magti-train us. So we're gonna ride the train to Passenger Terminal 1. I believe doon na rin yung immigration natin. Let's go. Alright, so mga ilang minuto lang, hindi lang mga ilan, almost 1 hour's immigration. So make sure, that's a tip, kung bababa na kayo ng eroplano, guys, unahan nyo na yung iba. Malit kayo sa train, sumunod kayong train, wala, marami na yan. So, it's 8 AM. Nakapag-upload na ako ng vlog, na immigration vlog. Diba? We're being productive while nakapila. So, ngayon, kunin na lang natin yung bagahe natin. So, welcome to Seoul! Incheon International Airport! Taray, nasa may arrival area na tayo, guys. So, dito kayo dumadaan yung mga idol. So, ngayon, hanapin na natin yung ating SIM card na binook via Klook. Hi, I cannot wait to go out. This is Seoul. I mean, this is Korea, di pa to Seoul. Incheon pa lang to. We found it. So, nandito tayo sa
Can we receive call?
SIM card area where we can pick up the SIM that we book via Klook. So, unlimited data po ito. Touch the screen, SIM. And then, pick this up. So, ito na po yung SIM natin na nabook natin via Klook. This is 1,000 plus, 10 days, tapos unlimited data na siya, which is very nice. Itong KT Mobile. So, i-comment ko, KT Telecom rather, i-comment ko sa baba yung link papuntang Klook website for this. Okay? Doon siya. So, kung may questions kayo, I believe you can just ask the lady there. She's so accommodating and helpful. So we're gonna Arex. Ayun! We're gonna Arex ourselves. Ito yung train papuntang Seoul. Ang kabog talaga lagi ng Incheon International Airport. Naiya ko never. Uy! Stray Kids! Yunjin. Happy birthday! Happy Yunjin Day! Wonwoo! Ano lang, ng fans from China. Nako, Luis. Ay, Mingyu! Mingyu! Saranghe! Uy, concert nila ngayon. Dito sa Seoul. Oo. Mingyu oppa. Saranghe. Mingyu pa, saranghe. Nomu saranghe. Uy, happy siya. Good day, my gosh. May top 2 visuals. Oh my God. Yung magbabarkada. Mga 97 liner. Oh my God. Siya, umuo pa. Nasa Korea na talaga ako, guys. Oh my God. Hindi ko kinakaya. Kahapon yung birthday niya. Ay, diba? Ito pa isa pang visual, si Irene. Grabe. Guys, duman lang ako dito, feeling ko, ito na talaga yung Korea. Hi, Irene. We're experiencing the ARIX, or yung train from airport to Seoul. So, sumakay tayo sa express train and we booked this via Klook. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung promo code ko, Dave Kino, para maka-discount kayo. So, very convenient and comfortable para sa aeroplano. And ang ganda ng view. May lagayan ng baggage doon. And then, pwedeng mag-order ng water. Kung wala kayong T-Money card, you can order the T-Money card here as well. So, yeah. Kunin nyo yung ticket. Kung may voucher kayo, iscan yung voucher. May mga machine doon. And you can redeem the ticket sa B1 ng Incheon Airport Terminal 1. Alright? So, let's enjoy Korea! Saranghe! So, nasa ano na tayo, no? Nasa Hongdae University Station. Tourism. Kailangan natin ng ano, luggage storage. Voice search. Isa pa. Luggage storage B. Wala. Parang wali. Sige, close. Wag na nga lang. Thank you so much. Labas na ulit tayo, guys. Scan natin. Guys, since Hongdae kami, dapat pala yung all-stop yung sinakyan naming train. At hindi non-stop. Kasi nauna yung Hongdae before Seoul Station. Okay? Kung naghahanap kayo ng luggage storage dito sa Hongdae area, punta lang kayo dito sa Exit 5. Exit 5 ng Hongdae University Station. And itong bubungad sa inyo, Travelers Welcome Center. So, nandyan yung rate ng baggage. And then, quickly, dito nyo ipaprocess yung inyong luggage storage. Okay? And then, pwede mag-buy ng credit card or cash. They close at 11 p.m. And ayan, jumbo maleta yan, guys. So, kasha siya. Okay? So, ngayon, ilalak na natin to. Wala tayong ilalagay. Yeah, wala na. Alright, here's our food worth 8,000 won. Beef noodle soup. Hindi muna tayo sumabak sa matinding bakbakan with the spicy beef noodle soup. Dito muna tayo sa hindi pa muna spicy. Medyo kukondisyon natin ang ating ang ating panlasa. Oh, so these are magnolia flowers. Magnolia denudata. Yan. Ito, I'm not sure kung cherry blossoms na to. Ganda. Oh, wow. This is my first sighting of cherry blossoms. Finally, nakakita na ako in person here in Korea. It's our first day here in Korea. Nandito tayo sa Hongdae. And ang saya makakita ng tunay na cherry blossoms. It's a Sunday afternoon. And saya mag people watch dito sa Hongdae area. Ganda. Oh my gosh, close-up shot ng cherry blossoms. Surreal. Surreal. For sure, next week, mas marami na to. Ganda. Ay, saranghe, Korea. Finally. Ito lang talaga yung gusto ko kapag nagbabakasyon, malamig na panahon. Gusto kong achieve talaga yung malamig. Yes, where we at? Familiar na ba kung nasaan tayo ngayon? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Queen's Department Store. Alright, nandito tayo sa Hyundai Seoul na filming location ng hottest K-drama today, Queen of Tears. Ito guys, yung opisina ni Hae-in at Yoonwoo. So si Yeen yung CEO ng Queens Department Store, tapos si Yunwoo naman yung head ng legal department. So ganito pala ang feeling maglakad sa high-end na department store na ito. Ang sosyal, mga designer brands, guys. Ngayon, may mimit tayo. So tara, sakit tayo ng bus. So since I'm here for spring, tips for like travelers. Sinchon?
Yeah.
Oh.
As you can see,
Yeah.
there's some blossom there.
Where? Oh, that one?
Yeah, that one. In the streets, they all have trees in there.
Oh.
So I think that there's some very famous spot in
Hongdae?
No, like
Uido?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was there earlier.
But it's so crowded.
Crowded.
So many people
Okay.
in there, so it's not too best place.
Best place.
to enjoy it.
To enjoy because there's a lot of people.
I think just
Even here,
yeah,
just walking here.
walking here, and then it's proper, I think.
I heard you always go out clubbing.
No, I'm not. If you mean Hongdae fuckboy,
Hongdae fuckboy.
Chris always
Really?
yeah, mentioned before.
Really?
But I'm not a person like that.
Ah,
so,
okay.
Yeah, maybe Hongdae is the famous place for foreigners.
Foreigners.
Yeah.
More than 81?
Actually, after the accident,
After the accident, you don't
Yeah.
really recommend.
yeah,
Oh, okay.
not crowded anymore because of the accident.
Accident that happened. Okay guys, tapusin na natin yung vlog dito. Kasi ang ganda ng vibe dito sa may Uido Hangang Park, Hangang Park. So nandyan yung Han River, and then nandito yung mga cherry blossoms around. Yung iba ay na-blue bloom na, yung iba ay medyo full bloom na. Next week for sure, I mean later this week for sure, mas maganda na yan. Yung itsura ng mga cherry blossoms. Nakakatuwa! From the airport, from Naiya to here sa Uido, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin, no? I'm so happy to be back. Napakaganda ng panahon ngayon. Very perfect in weather. Maaraw, malamig. And I just love Seoul. I just love Seoul. Tapos ang daming opa around. Charing! So guys, this is Dave, the Kripo Traveler. Again, please use my promo code you can use my promo code kung magbubuk kayo sa Klook ng activities, Dave Dino, pati na rin hotel for a bigger discount. Alright? Iko-comment ko yung link sa baba. Bye-bye guys! Here from Seoul, South Korea. Finally, let's live our best life. Bye-bye! Guys, nakikita ko ang future ko. Or my present. Emmy, my God, ang gwapo ng asawa ko. I'm so yun. Yung billboard niya dito sa Myeongdong. Nasa Myeongdong tayo, guys. And eto po yung pinakaulam ko dito. Charot. Emmy lang beer. Saya. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon, solo trip. But it's nice. It's nice to be here in the middle of the bustling Myeongdong with the street foods around.